What's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about why does everyone dream to own real estate, including yourself. Also remember, guys, if you get any value, I want you to KO that like button. Now, you're probably always hearing people talking about, I just bought this property, I just closed on this apartment complex, I just bought this rental, and you're over there like, I just bought a bag of Skittles and some Pepsi. Does that count? Sadly, no, it doesn't. But here's the thing. Everyone's always thinking that real estate's the way out. It's the way that you can retire wealthy, not rich. It's the way that you can be relaxed. It's the way that you can live a good lifestyle. And that's all true. That's actually a fact. Let me explain to you. You might be somebody who's seeing everyone talking about real estate and saying that they love it so much, and you love it too, but you don't really know why. Let me explain to you why everyone loves it so much and why you're about to love it even more. Imagine that you had $100, and this $100 you plan to put it on the side. You don't have any intention to use it, and I come to you and tell you, if you put this $100 here, next year it's going to be $105. Wouldn't you be happy? Wouldn't you like that? That's real estate for you plus some. Here's what goes down in real estate. When you buy a property, you have something called appreciation. That means that the property values go up. Let's just say that you put $50,000 into a property today. Next year, it could possibly be worth $55,000. That's the first reason people love real estate, appreciation. The second reason we all love real estate is something we like to call cash flow. Every single month, you're gonna get rent deposited right in your bank account. Now, this cash flow is consistent every single month, so long you have a tenant in the property. And we all know you love consistency when it comes to your money. And the third and final reason is your tenant is paying off your mortgage. Now, typically when you buy an investment property, you get a loan from the bank, and every month that loan could be $1,000, but you're renting the property for $1,500. That means you pay off the loan with $1,000 a month, and $500 is cash flow for you. Now, what that means for you is when the loan term is over, you got your property paid off by someone else. These are the main reasons why everyone loves real estate and why somehow you loved it too. Now, I hope things are more clear for you, and now you're ready to go get some more real estate. Now, if you want more content just like this, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'm out.